Okay folks, I'm going to show you the machining operation on the bolts for these TiBolts. I got a couple hundred bolts in without the side hole drilled in them because I needed to determine where that location needed to be. I was only hoping, to get in like a dozen or so, but I got a couple hundred in, so I had to build a special tool to be able to do these relatively quickly and efficiently in the machine. So there's the tool. These particular parts are already done, but I'm going to run the machining again just so you can see what it is it actually does. If I was to do it from fresh, there'd be coolant splashing everywhere and you wouldn't be able to see. So I'm going to start the cycle. So it just switched to a little end mill that's going to go in and put in these counterbores, which gives me a nice flat bottom for the bolt to sit on. So it's done a counterbore on 2 bolts. Now it's switched to a center drill. It's going to come in and spot the hole location for the 256 threads that I need to drill and tap in there. Now here's the drill itself, a carbide drill, a tiny little thing, and it's going to come in and drill the holes for these threads. And I'm taking it kind of easy because, well, I'm not in a huge hurry, and saving a second here or there isn't going to make a huge difference on the project. So it's drilling holes right now. Once it's done, it drills those almost 300 thousandths deep. It's going to switch to a tap. Let's hope I don't snap the tap running it in dry, but the hole is already tapped, so I'm hoping it won't affect anything. I didn't like it. I heard a little squeak down there. Wasn't happy about rerunning back in there without any coolant in it. But there it is. That's the whole cycle. Looking at the machine, the actual cycle time is 1 minute and 42 seconds. So I'm able to do about one of these a minute, so I've got about 4 hours work ahead of me doing all of these bolts. And then hopefully we'll have the system all figured out, and for the remaining hundreds of these to go, these will come in with that already done. Anyhow, that's it. Just wanted to show you there's some progress, there's things happening.